We've got Dan Ives, who just called in to the news line. Want to get him into this conversation. He's obviously followed Tesla for quite some time, plus crypto. Dan, you look at this move. What's your initial reaction?
The initial reaction is this is Tesla and Musk diving into the deep end of the pool on crypto. And it's something that's been rumored for a while. And ultimately now this is really them putting substance behind his view. I think it's something the street will have a differing view of, but ultimately we've seen it with MicroStrategy. This is definitely going to be viewed as a positive for the stock.
Positive for the stock of Tesla, and then of course positive for the value of Bitcoin. You're looking at that move literally as we've been speaking just in the last couple of minutes here.
Yeah, I mean, this is a major solidifying credibility for Bitcoin, especially in terms of when you have a stalwart like Musk making this move. And it's significant. It's going to have a ripple effect, really across other corporations with Musk making this move. And it's something that's, I think it's a seminal moment for companies as they sort of look toward this area.
But Dan, how concerned, though, are you about the filing relative to the comments that Musk has been making online over the past several weeks?
Well, that continues to be a slippery slope, and we've seen it before with Musk and Twitter. That's not been a friend in terms of issues like this, and it's definitely raises, I think, probably some questions, and that's going to be something that they're going to, have to focus on. I think for investors, it continues to just be another variable in the Tesla story, but no doubt in this environment, clearly there's going to be a whole lot of momentum in terms of Bitcoin on Tesla. It almost creates a perfect storm to some extent, especially in this environment that we have.
Why? I mean, why doesn't this, rather than build momentum, why doesn't it show that it's the top? I mean, just to pivot the question a little bit, Dan, you're an analyst of tech companies, you're an analyst of auto companies. Tesla is meant to make cars, and it's clearly a tech company more broadly and develop technology. Should it be trading with its cash once it generates cash from its two core business areas?
Well, again, to that point, it's a great question. I mean, we think fundamentally is continue how you'd have to value it on the EV prospects. It's going to be something that investors, when you look at this, it will get that sort of added multiple. But I think for right now, that's going to continue to sort of make the emotional bull-bear story more in Tesla if they start to get that multiple and it starts to run from there. And this is going to be something that we're going to continue to contend with. We've seen it with MicroStrategy, now Tesla. It's definitely going to have a major ripple effect for Tesla in terms of what could be the valuation over the coming weeks and months.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.